Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and your stimulus package update. As you know, the stimulus package known as the HEROES Act was passed on May the 15th. They sent it over to the Senate. The Senate is still sitting on it. They have not done nothing. They said they was in no hurry to do it. They said it may not have a stimulus check in it. It may, but it's not looking favorable in their eyes right now. Or at least that's what they're saying. They said that they was in no hurry and they're proving their point. I believe they're making a point to be slow, to prove what they said is true, that they're in no hurry. They don't care. On a positive note, Senator Lindsey Graham suggested that we should help the people on Social Security because the price of food and basic necessities is going up, and they're going to keep going up in the next few months. That would help the people on Social Security, SSI, SSDI, stuff like that. But we need to help the people across the board. Don't single out single groups like Social Security or people that's been laid off, people on disability. Help everybody. Everybody wins when all the boats rise. So, help everybody. The Senate said that they're not sitting on it and stalling, trying to kill the bill. Sure looks like it to me. What about y'all? I think they're trying to kill it. Because again, they're millionaires and billionaires. They are completely out of touch with real people. This is our money we're asking for. It's not like we're asking for a handout. This is money that we've paid in taxes over the years. And nobody is exempt from paying taxes. If you work, you pay taxes. If you don't work, you pay taxes. Every time you buy something, you buy groceries, you buy necessities, you're paying taxes. The federal government gets their tax money from the states. Your sales tax, your payroll tax, everything goes to the state and then to the federal government. So everybody's paid in their taxes. Everybody is owed this money. This is our money. We're just asking for a little bit of it back before they spend it all on frivolous stuff. I almost said a bad word there. Y'all, I know with all the stuff going on today, the riots, the looting, the burning, not getting any help from our government, it all looks bad. But you know, I still feel optimistic that we will get a $2,000 stimulus check. Now, I don't know if we're going to get reoccurring checks or not. Other countries has. I forgot what country it is. I heard about it today, but they get $8,000 a month reoccurring. Man, I wish I could remember what country that was. But anyway, there is a lot of countries out there that's giving stimulus to their people, reoccurring every month. But yet, the United States of America, the best country in the world, can't do it. I don't know what to think about that. I do, but I don't want to say it. Y'all, we will get out of this, and we the people will be stronger for it. We the people has faced adversities more than this in the past, and we got through it. We will get through this again. It's going to be hard, especially since we see people in Washington living large on our tax money and showing that they don't care. That makes it real hard. If they just showed that they cared somehow, that would make a little difference. Y'all keep your heads up. We will get through this, and I do feel confident that we will get a $2,000 stimulus. The question is when? They're in no hurry. They've proved it time and time again. They've proved that they don't care, but we have to stick together on this. In November, they prove that they don't care. Let's prove that we are the ones in charge and vote their butts out of office. We need to clean house. Y'all, come back tomorrow. I love y'all. Be sure and don't miss tomorrow's video. It's going to be a special America at War. I love y'all. Ciao.